The 2015 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. And is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: FWD, daytime running lamps, tire pressure monitor. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Davidson, Gebhardt, Chevrolet, and Subaru of Loveland are conveniently located right on I-25 and exit 259 in Loveland.